Hello students, good morning to all, and today we are going to learn about conjunctions. Okay, so do you have any idea about conjunctions, students? Yes, conjunctions are joining words, okay, or group of words, okay, and we call them as conjunctions. Why? Because they are group of words or we join the words, okay. So uh, now let's start the class, okay. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that are used to join the words or group of words. So we call them as joining words. And, or, but. Let us look at some more examples. Do you want rice or roti? I like rice, but I don't like roti. Rice and roti are healthy foods. I hope all understand this chapter. It is a very small chapter. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are group of words or join words. Okay. Now let's start writing the textbook part. Okay. Circle the conjunctions in these sentences. So we learned that conjunctions are joining words, right? I washed the clothes and mother put them outside. So see here, I washed the clothes and mother put them outside. So here what is the conjunction? Yes, and, right? So we have to circle it. Circle and. Okay. Next, see students, you must run or you will miss the bus. So what is the conjunction here? Joined. You must run, one sentence, right? Or you will miss the bus. So here or. Circle or. Next, we will go to Delhi or Agra. So what is conjunction here? O R or. Okay, we learned that conjunctions are what? See examples. And, or, but. Right. This we have to see in the sentences. So these are conjunctions. And, or, but. An elephant is big but gentle. So conjunction is what? Yes, but. Circle it. My cat has a black nose and white paws. So what conjunction here? And, right? Circle and. The bag is red and yellow. So what is here conjunction? And. Circle. You can call up my brother or my sister. So conjunction is or. Okay. My sister likes to sing, but I like to dance. So conjunction here what, ma? Yes, but. B-U-T, but. He loves reading, but he has no storybooks. What is the conjunction here? Yes, you are right. But. Wood will float, but a coin will sink in water. So what is conjunction here? Yes, but. B-U-T, but. Match the following by tracing on the dotted lines. Okay. Doctor, nurse. We have to match. Okay. Very easy. We can match. See, dots are given. You have to match like this. Okay. Nurse. Next, train driver. Yes. Train driver will guard, right? So match. So you can do yourself, okay? So you can match by tracing on the dotted lines. Everything you have to trace. Very easy. Do it yourself, okay? Fill in the blanks with and, but, or, okay? Is my answer right? Is my answer right? Dash wrong. Right or wrong, right? Or. That man is poor. Dash happy. Poor, but happy. B-U-T, but. Goldilocks dash the three bears. Goldilocks dash the three bears. Say, this is the lesson name. Goldilocks and and the three bears is a nice book. Will you come on Sunday? Dash Monday. Will you come on Sunday? Dash Monday or Monday. No? It is hot. Dash wet. It is hot, but say it is hot but wet. My orange is sweet, dash juicy. Sweet and and. Okay. Join these sentences using the given conjunctions and write the sentence again. So we have to join the conjunction and write the sentence again. Okay, two sentences are given here. See, soup is hot, one sentence. See, full stop. Ice cream is cold, another sentence. So we have to join these two sentences, okay, with the conjunction. Okay, shall we write? Yes, first we have to write the first sentence as it is. Start. S-O-U-P. Soup is hot. H-O-T. Hot. Up to here we completed. Now, near the full stop, we have to add the conjunction. Okay, bracket. So what? But. Write but here. B-U-T. But. Then we have to write the next sentence. But ice cream. While we are writing the next sentence, you have to remember that don't use capital I. Here a sentence is starting, that's why capital letter is given, but here we are not starting the sentence, we are continuing the sentence. So don't use capital letter. Start I small letter only. I-C-E, ice cream. C-R-E-A-M, ice cream is cold. C-O-L-D. Now give full stop. Okay. Now give full stop. Now, do you want juice? Then, do you want milk? Here, conjunction or. So, the same method we have to. Do you want? Both. See, do you want? Do you want? 2 times no need to write the same words. We can short this. See how can we write? Do you want? Do you want? W-A-N-T. Do you want juice? J-U-I-C-E, juice, or O-R, or milk, M-I-L-K, milk, question mark. See, here, do you want juice? Do you want milk? So, 2 times no need to use the same words. So, we can add conjunction and write the question like this. See, Do you want juice or milk? Enough. Question mark. Peter has an apple. Ahmad has an apple. See, both. So, Peter has an apple. Ahmad has an apple. So, here also, apple is the object here given. So, we can use like this. With conjunction, we can change the sentence like this. How many? Peter. Peter. Next name. And Ahmad. Peter and Ahmad. But the common has apple. Now two members, no? We have to change have here. See, Peter, P-E-T-E-R, Peter and A-N-D, and Ahmad, A-H-M-E-D, Ahmad. Now plural, no? So for them we have to use have. H-A-V-E, have. Have. But an apple. A-N, an. Apple. A-P-P-L-E, full stop. Okay. Peter and Ahmad have an apple. Okay. Maina is tall. Ali is short. See, Maina is tall. Ali is short. So, here different. So, we can use but in the middle. Maina is tall. Write down M-I-N-A. Maina is tall. T-A-L-L. Tall. But B-U-T. But Ali is short. A-L-I. Ali is short. S-H-O-R-T. Full stop. Minnie saw an aeroplane. Next sentence. Riti saw an aeroplane. See, both saw an aeroplane, saw an aeroplane. So, in these cases, we can use Minnie and Riti saw an aeroplane. Very easy. Okay. Minnie, M-I-N-I, Minnie, and conjunction here, and Minnie and Riti, R-I-T-I, Riti, saw, S-A-W, saw an aeroplane, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, full stop. Will you come at 6 p.m.? Will you come at 7 p.m.? So, see, will you. No need to use two words at a same sentence. We can shorten, okay? How can we write? Will you come? W-I-L-L. Will you come? C-O-M-E. Come. At 6 p.m. 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. 7 p.m. Question mark. See, will you come at 6 p.m. or 7 p.m.? Will you come at? No need to use the same. Only once we can use. Okay. I went to the market. I bought a chocolate. Now, conjunction here and. Shall we write? I went, W-E-N-D, went to the market, M-A-R-K-E-T. I went to the market and, A-N-D, and bought. No need to add I here. Already we added I. So, leave I. Okay, I went to the market and but bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought a chocolate, C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E, full stop. Okay, I went to the market and bought or chocolate? I like idli, I like dosa. And conjunction here. I like idli, idli, idli and dosa. No? dosa. No need to add again. I like. Continuation no need. Okay? Full stop. See, I like idli and dosa. Do you like cars? Do you like vans? Or is the conjunction given here. Now, see, do you like? No need to repeat the same thing. Okay? We can write like this. Do you like cars? C-A-R-S, cars or vans? V-A-N-S, question mark. Okay? Do you like, Y-O-U. Do you like cars or vans? Is that a Maruti car? Is that a Honda car? Or conjunction? Same thing. Is that a? So we can write only once. Is that a? Is that, T-H-E-A-T, is that a Maruti, M capital, M-A-R-U-T-I, Maruti car, C-A-R, car or Honda car? Very easy. H-O-N-D-A, Honda, C-A-R, question mark. Okay? See, is that a Maruti car or Honda car? Yes. Now we completed this chapter. So write neatly and send to me. Okay? Have a nice day, students.